I think we are live now, sir.
Oh, great, great.
Just let me confirm, sir.
You can check the YouTube.
Yes.
It's live.
I think we are live now.
Echo is coming.
Yes, just a second.
Because both mobile and laptop are on. Na?
Yes, sorry to keep audiences waiting, and I think we are live. Yes, we are live. We are live. We scheduled it at 10 past 8, so we are starting sharp at 10 past 8. And sir, thank you again, and pranam and welcome to the channel yet again, sir. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule, sir.
Yes, pranam Mohit Bhai, and first of all, through Mohit sir's channel, this is a great day, and I am very lucky that I can come through the great personality, Mohit Bhaiya, Mohit Bhai, Mohit sir, like that all of you call him. Yes, today is the Institute of Cost Accountants of India Foundation Day. And Mohit sir very specifically told, sir, why don't we have a live this thing on that important day? And he has been very magnanimous, and that giving me a time at past 8 p.m. because even today we had a marathon type of meetings, including examination committee meeting called by none other than Bisru Basu Dada, Honorable President. And you would have listened to him live when he, as head of the family, has wished the CMA fraternity. He was joined by all the council colleagues, including our Vice President and Secretary of the Institute, Kaushik Banerjee sir. So this is a great day, and I am very happy that I am wearing a T-shirt of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali chapter, I should tell. And I thank Balwinder Singh sir and the entire team of Chandigarh chapter who organized an event this year a little bit early before the second wave started. And I could be part of that. And I thank the students and the members of Chandigarh chapter for giving me also one T-shirt with the Institute emblem. Of course, those who are watching the students, you might be wondering, "Arey Papan bhai, Mohit bhai, please give us also Institute T-shirt." वो दे देंगे, हम दे देंगे. जब हमें जब हमको चांस मिलेगा जरूर हम सबको दे देंगे.
अरे वाह.
It is a feel of pride that we are wearing the T-shirt with the Institute emblem. And I thank the student fraternity and the youngsters in particular, including the seniors, elders, and members, for making today's day really a great grand success, especially in the social media. Some of the youngsters taking the lead and making all of us tweet with the trending this thing #CMA day. Many thanks to all of you for making this day wonderful. At the same time, we request you to continue to follow the protocols, stay safe, obey the health authorities, the government of maybe central government, state government, union territory, the policemen or health authorities and the doctors, nurses, because they are the people who are really trying very hard to see that we are safe. So let us respect them and maintain social distance. Yes, break the chain, but not the relationship.
Correct.
We are maintaining the relationship, Mohit Bhai and Papan Bhai, through this channel with all of you, with wonderful love and affection. All the very best to each and every one of you. Yes, Mohit Bhai, you can go ahead.
Yes,
sir. You are Mohit sir for the student.
Myself continuously because I am receiving the questions from students also. So students, please excuse me if I am looking at the cell because I am looking at your questions only, right? And before we start the session, happy CMA Day to all of you, as Padmanabhan sir has already conveyed. And do like the video because sir is coming and taking so much effort for you guys. So do like the video. It's a very small gesture of ours that we can give to him. Okay. So do like the video very fast.
Thank
Yes.
you, thank you.
So boys and girls, everyone join it very fast. It is going to be a detailed discussion, and the institute is itself coming to you guys. And matlab, I have never ever seen such transparency, such openness, such friendliness. Okay. And really, we are blessed to have you, sir, as a representative of CM Institute, who is so open and without worrying about the criticism, without worrying about the some of the backfire comments of the students. You don't worry about all these things, and you just simply come in open, and you are ready to answer any question publicly. Well, that's what a true leader is all about, sir. Hats off to you, sir.
Thank you, Mohit bhai. It is all because of the students and members, because we are what we are only because of them, and we have also passed the same stage as a student, as an ordinary member, then as elected representative, and so on. And I have completed the journey of 33 years as elected representative, so I can understand any criticism or allegations. I take it as a feedback, and if it is genuine, we take it forward as part of improvement. Of course, certain things in social media, when some children or some members without disclosing the identity, when they write anything against the mother profession, institute, or other colleagues or other family members, I have also learned from youngsters that how to block also. That blocking is not that I don't want to maintain relationship with you. It is only a message that we should be careful in the public forum. We should, because parents have given us a name. Why we should worry about disclosing our name? You tell your name and tell your point very politely, very nicely, very strongly, so that it reaches us and it wakes up all of us to work more effectively, efficiently, and execute in the manner in which you want. This is one of the reasons, sir. I always feel more happy and become more younger and younger when I move with the student fraternity. I, in fact,
sir, one of the students is saying, sir, you are looking so handsome today, sir.
अरे वो तो ऐसा वो लॉकडाउन है ना, थोड़ा टाइम लिया तो इधर उधर से. Only thing which is growing very freely is beard and hair. Of course, maybe I don't know when I will become bald, but as of now, they think are doing. Thank you very much for the compliment. You are handsome, you are beautiful. That is why you are seeing others as handsome and beautiful.
Correct.
If you are good, you will see good only in others. So always it is a mirror image. Thanks for the compliment. God bless you. Yes, Mohit sir.
Okay, boys and girls. So let us start the question answer session with the great Papan Bhai. And the first question that I am getting from all our students, sir, the mode of exam, whether online, offline, sir, what mode of exams has the institute decided?
Yes, Mohit Bhai has asked several times on behalf of you. And of course, in some other forum also, I have made it clear. What was the mode of examination last exam? That is December 2020, which commenced from January 3rd, online. Na? So let us maintain that. However, the official notification will come from the institute. And the reason for this is, one thing is, we want to become more digital, and we want to become more CMA global. The acceptance, we want to get it from the other countries. And most importantly, this pandemic situation, it is very important that such a type of mode of examination will help you. There are arguments that, no, sir, let us go for offline. In offline, there are various things. Not that online also you are going to center. What difference does it make, sir? But the difference is the sanitation and other things which can be done in online. It is 1,000 times more complicated when it comes to offline, right? The exchange of papers, the peon bringing it, then the invigilator holding it, then distributing, then asking for additional answer sheet, then question paper coming through which courier, then after that somebody from the hall giving back to the invigilator, then it is going. So many things will be there and so many reasons. But keeping all those things aside, you know what was the mode of examination, last examination. So officially let the institute come and give the notification. Rest assured, whatever may be the mode, please prepare nicely, go through the classes and sessions of Mohit Bhaiya, and other your faculty members who are like your parents, that they have achieved something, but they want the future generation to come out successful in their curriculum and settle well in their life, building up their career. So you prepare, you listen to the faculty members and do it. Rest assured, mode of examination, pattern of examination, whatever it may be, institute, as it was done during Balwinder Singh Sahib's period and Biswarup Dada as vice president, now Biswarup Dada as president, we are giving you all assurance that you will be given sufficient time and lakhs of questions for practicing, like we did it for the immediately concluded examination. Do not worry about that. Yes, sir.
Great, sir. So to summarize what sir has said that we are going to continue as of now with the same mode, because it has already been one term. So give it a chance. We'll take more time to review. Okay. And any global exams, if you see, okay, these are online only. And the institutes which are conducting offline exam, their students are saying, why is the online portal not ready? Why are you not being able to ready the online portal? It has been 1 year now, 2 years now. What is going on? All the international courses are having the online portal. And when CMA Institute has done it, such an unbelievable and daunting task, thanks to Papan Bhai and other members, because of the unbelievable effort and unbelievable pain. Let me tell you, it's not easy. When I conduct an online exam for my students, just imagine the magnitude of the entire CMA Institute conducting. I feel so much of trouble, and I feel that, oh my God, whether there will be any technical glitch, etc., etc. So just imagine the magnitude and level at which CMA Institute has to manage all these things, right? So once we have invested, not invested financially, invested emotionally, invested reputation wise, we all CMA fraternity, once we have done that, so it's we should give it at least some more terms chance, some more period. Online exam should be there. I also absolutely agree with it, sir. Yes, the students' concern is absolutely right regarding the copying and the cheating and all. So we had an informal talk also, and I think, sir, institute is going to take drastic measures, and it has enhanced the security levels, sir.
Yes. And before this thing, I would like to tell Mohit Bhai, though he has been magnanimous with the kind words for me, we remember to thank Balwinder Singh sir, Biswarup Dada, and the entire council,
yes,
and the
Balwinder
studies
sir,
directorate,
sir is
examination department, who have taken all pains to see that the examination was conducted smoothly. Yes, as Mohit Bhaiya told, I personally, as a human being, as Papan Bhai, is really hurt, but some of the students have done something for which even I cannot help. Actions will be there from the institute side. Genuine cases, yes, we are also trying our best to help the students, but still there are some other thing. And as Mohit Bhai told, in the days to come, understanding any mistake or lacuna in the first time we conducted, we will improve, and we will see that better this thing is being conducted in the forthcoming examination also. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. And students are asking paper pattern. Sir has already clarified that the paper pattern will be same, almost same as it was there in December 20 exams, which were held in January 21. Yes, sir.
Paper pattern I told with regard to their concern for practice. Okay. So paper pattern, there will be some changes, because you students, the faculty members, those who are teaching you, the gurus, they have all requested that there can be some type of improvement in the pattern also. So regarding the pattern also, some changes will be there, wherein there may be reasonable MCQ, there will be some descriptive. That modalities, in fact, we are in the discussion stage. From our side, we have come to a very good conclusion from the examination committee side, but it will be taken forward to the council, and a collective decision will be taken. And small changes in the pattern for improving the this thing, for the students to feel that this is a this thing that we can when we study for theory paper and problem related this thing, both we should have equal weightages, sir. Like that, many students have demanded. Considering the demand and the request of the students, small changes will be there. But like I told Mohit Bhai for the first question, you will be given sufficient time for doing mock test and the final replica model examination before the final examination by the institute whenever they will conduct. Okay. This is what
Okay,
I
sir.
want to tell about the pattern, sir, because some changes we are thinking for
So
the
paper pattern, some minor changes will be there,
Yes.
but do not worry. It will be minor changes, not major changes.
for their good and as per their demand only. Because
Yes,
there are
right.
students who are good in theory, good in objective type, both ways, problems, solutions, theory, this thing. So
Correct.
to help the students
And practice
in
papers will be
totality,
there to practice.
we
No
are
problem.
doing that.
Okay, so I think sir has already clarified. One of the many students are asking, in fact, that okay, we agree that online exams are taking place, whether it be home based or center based or both.
Yes, like last examination, we had both, and this time also we are planning like that only. Depends upon the pandemic situation at the time of conduct of the examination. See, there are certain places where the center availability will not be there, or center
Correct.
availability is there, but a student is in the containment zone. But we, for X or Y or few number of students, we cannot ask them, you ignore this exam, you opt out, you write next exam. We cannot just like that leave you, my dearest students. Your time is also very, very important. So considering that, we will see whether both can be done or center based alone need to be conducted. It is a early stage, but definitely students' safety, your safety is very, very important, and we will take a judicious call at the appropriate time, and it will be done suitably, like Mohit Bhai told, with all improvised this thing in the system, that we, even if anybody miscreant encourage the students to do some malpractices, they will not do that. That much this thing we will be going in improving in the system also, so that all of you appear before the examination honestly, with integrity, and with due diligence. Okay. So don't worry about that. Wait for the institute notification with regard to online or offline or home based or center based. You don't worry. I think hint is there, Mohit Bhaiya.
Sir, two
Mohit Bhai.
questions students are asking, and one question is absolutely fair also. Suggested answers of January 21 examination institute has not yet released. And another question, sir, they
Yes.
are asking, although exams are 2 months away from here, but still they are asking, will the exams be postponed?
No, both are genuine, sir. Very, very genuine. As a student, I appreciate, because
Yes.
as a student, I will also have that same anxiety. Regarding the suggested answers, number one question, as you all know, we are yet to publish the re-verification result. We are yet to release the withheld
So that's
result.
also a question. When will the re-verification results be published?
Yes, that when you ask, I will answer that. So regarding the suggested answer, once the entire results are being done with by the institute, immediately suggested answers for the immediate past examination. Only after that they will do it, because that is the confidential this thing where the examiner, chief examiner, paper valuer, and the paper setter and the institute have that. After the results are declared, only the suggested answers can be done with. Then second question was with regard to postponement of examination. What I told to Mohit Bhai for his earlier question, your safety is very, very important. Your safety is very, very important. If in July we are able to conduct, other institutes are able to conduct, and if this pandemic situation is totally going to be super eliminated one, then nothing wrong in conducting. But it is not your that examination that is in your Papan Bhai's mind. For us, your safety, your family safety is very, very important. So when the time comes nearer to that, at the earliest this thing, institute will inform you about the examination. But as of now, don't worry about all these things. That you leave, that headache, you leave it to the institute. Okay. So postponement will happen if it is necessary, and definitely your safety and interest will be taken into account. We will not show any urgency in conducting the examination, because we announced last year, you saw, first Mohit Bhai also knows, first June, then we shifted to September, then to November, then students told, "Arey sir, first time online, we want some practice," then we shifted to December. Then they told again, we want to do, sir, totally this thing, opt-out option, opt-in option, so many things you give. Then we had finally in January only. Ultimately, we are happy that all the students are safe. Na? Like that, this year also, institute will take a good call on that. Don't worry about it. Yes.
Excellent, sir. So as of now, exams are happening from 26th of July, but based on the pandemic situation and the hardships, if any, faced by you, institute is surely there for you to postpone the exams, and if necessary, if circumstances prevail, which forces institute to postpone, it won't hesitate.
And those who are interested in postponement, please don't pray that let pandemic situation continue for more number of months, so it will. Don't do that. Don't do that. Postponement होगा. करना है तो करूंगा हम. करेंगे हम. Don't worry. ठीक है.
Correct, sir. Great. And sir, re-verification results.
Re-verification result, even today we had the examination committee and we have found out the exact details. This is the first time I am telling it openly. See, re-verification result, we are yet to receive some more this thing from the paper valuers. So examination department has apprised us that it will take some more time, but rest assured, they want to see that each and every student who have applied for re-verification should be given due respect and due consideration. So all the students, for whichever paper or papers you have applied, it has gone to the paper valuers. It is coming almost 75 to 80% as a comeback. But the entire thing will be opened by the examination department, all confidential matters. Once the 100% this thing is there, because even the paper valuers, they are also human beings. Then they have to go to the examiner or the chief examiner. Then it will come to the examination department. All these protocols, pandemic and this thing, and you all know our headquarters is in where Rohit Bhaiya is sitting, that is Kolkata, and our state government chief minister, honorable chief minister, has told lockdown up to June 15th, if I am correct. Other states also it is going on like that only. So it will take a little more time, and once this has been done with, Viswarup Dada, honorable president, who is the chairman, he has made it very clear today that anytime, every time, he is very much for declaring it at the earliest. So from his side, despite his son, wife, mother-in-law, all are attacked by this corona, and the entire family is taking all precautions to see that they come out of all these situations. And one of the staff member in our Kolkata office, he is no more, youngster. There are more than 70% of the officials or their family members affected by corona. So many things we are not disclosing these things openly. So there are so many things, and definitely re-verification result is on our priority. It will come soon. Once these things are been done with, the paper which has been sent, which will be received, especially the theory parts of so many papers where the students are approached for re-verification. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Will the same will be done with the withheld results also?
Withheld result is a different this thing. That our students can expect a little more early than the re-verification.
Okay,
why?
Withheld results.
Why? Because
okay.
that is with regard to reported case, RA. So there the thing is different. It is not like already everything is available with the, whether to declare the result or not. That process has taken some time, and that this much time it is taken only to see that not even a single genuine student is not punished.
Correct.
So, however, still there may be cases once it is declared, but you can expect to withhold result a little bit earlier, sir. At the earliest, that is what today also we had discussed. Both re-verification and withheld, don't club it together. That is different situation. This different situation. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, is the training any exemption in the training? The SAP training?
Sir, any training for this particular examination, Kaushik Banerjee sir has given the notification very clearly that it is exempted.
Yes,
now the questions which students are asking is for the next examination, who are going to appear. अरे जब दिसंबर आएगा उस टाइम हम बताएंगे ना, आप अभी चिंता मत करना. हमें भी पता है कि आप लोग अभी कहाँ आपको आर्टिकलशिप मिलेगा या किसी के पास. There should be work, and you should come out of this or work from home or some companies you have to get. So many things we are also aware na. After all, don't think that Papan bhai is a council member. अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम भी आपकी तरफ ही हैं, हम भी आपकी तरफ ही सोचेंगे. When you are not able to come out of the house or you cannot get this thing, it is not proper on the institute part to force you. We want you to go for training. Wherever you get, you please do it online or work from home or whatever method, or to nearby place where it is safe. I agree, but don't take too much risk on that. Okay, institute is taking care na. We don't say that chalo theek hai, practical training nahi chahiye. No, practical training is always very good. We also know, but we also know your situation. So exam by exam only exemption or this thing, council can take a call. Balwinder Singh sir being the TNDF chairman, who is responsible for this deciding factor, is committee with regard to training and other things. You all know he is very student friendly like Bisrup Dada. So rest assured, answer is this examination for July, whatever it is, or postponement or this thing, notification is very clear. Okay. दिसंबर जब आएगा उस टाइम हम
बाद में देखा जाएगा. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will institute provide new skill training to old students registered before 10th August 2020?
They are eligible. They are eligible. I have been raising the point as voice of the students. Balwinder sir is magnanimous in accepting that request. He has brought to the council also. Again, I think he will be. Only thing is, see, the existing students who have joined after the cutoff date, which Mohit Bhai told just now, that is also there. And we will be happy if more number of students are trained. What is there? After all, by getting more such a soft skill training, it is our own students, our own family members who are going to get more recognition in the corporate world or whatever it is. So definitely, institute will take a favorable stand. This is my thing. Maybe there was some different school of thoughts that we can charge some amount. Even students have voluntarily written, sir, you take some money if you want, but we want that training, because that particular SAP course or Microsoft or Cambridge or put together, it is coming to more than 50, 60, 75,000. Whereas if it is through the institute, it is for a small amount. So some students have suggested, we will take a call, and Mohit Bhai, Mohit sir, you can tell your students that definitely institute will help them to get upgraded with such a type of soft skill also.
Absolutely.
I will again, as a student's voice, hear this to appropriate persons like Balwinder sir and team. Okay, sir.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, please ask this to Papan sir. When we should pay exam fees, as we are waiting for re-verification results?
Yes, today, in fact, one of the discussion was on that also, and please wait for the institute notification. There are more than 15,000 students who have applied for re-verification, and to be very honest, many students have already paid money for the forthcoming examination. Nothing wrong. If you come out successful in the re-verification, that money will be returned back to you. So if you have some money with you right now, and if you have a 1% doubt that you might not pass the in the re-verification, you can pay. You will get back from the institute, because the institute will not take it. Oh, you have paid, so aisa kuch nahi hai. However, my personal suggestion is you can wait also. Those who are having some pinch of spending some money now, don't worry. You can pay later also. Wait for the re-verification result. Institute will definitely, I think, like Esther years, will give some time, so that you suppose unfortunately your marks stands status quo, or there is no increase, or there is increase till you don't pass that particular group. At that time also you can pay. But like majority of the students, if you have some that small amount, maybe it is a very big amount for the students, because I know that most of you like me are from average family or whatever it is, so you cannot spend. Chalo, theek hai, but the institute will be there to help you. Okay, don't worry.
So even in the worst of the cases, that if you have given the money and the best thing happens to you, that you clear in the re-verification, your money will be refunded by the institute. Do not worry about it.
Yes, yes.
Sir, many students are asking, sir, that when is the syllabus of the institute going to change?
Sir, regarding the syllabus, as of now, those who wish to join the course, you join for 2016 syllabus. Because with regard to syllabus change and other things, from Balwinder Singh sir's period, the talks have started. And now an expert committee has been formed with the help of great academicians and other people. We have taken the feedback from the industry and the global level market also. We have taken the feedback, and maybe the topics will remain the same, or one or two topics may change, but the contents, whatever it is, it will be there with some improvement. So it will come later only, not that chalo theek hai new syllabus ke liye hum wait karenge, baad mein we will join. Don't do that. Don't ever disrespect.
I have seen some of the students who have cleared their intermediate level. They are saying that we'll register for final level for the new syllabus. It may come after several years.
It might come, it might not come. What you will do? Because sometimes the collective decision will be that let us continue with the same syllabus.
Correct.
But the contents can be increased. Some topic can be deleted. Some topic can be added. Heading will be different, but ultimately you will see, array, same subject, 90%, 75%, 60% the topics are same. I have wasted my time. Us time mat regret karna. So if you are really interested in a CMA course, say intermediate, or like Mohit sir told, intermediate students for final, never waste your time. You join. Later on, after completing the examination, after passing the examination, if a new syllabus comes, you feel really upset, you update yourself daily. Any passed out student for that matter cannot take it for granted that abhi CMA ban gaya, chalo theek hai, aaram karenge. Nahi, if you want to come out successful in your life with this profession, you have to update your knowledge, upgrade yourself. So you have to update naturally. So syllabus, let it come, because it will take some more time for the syllabus change, because that expert group have to submit to the TNDF, then the TNDF and that expert group will go through that, then it will come to the council, and council will with their own wisdom or whatever it is, and that means it is not going to happen immediately, right? So please note that. And as of now, those who are eligible for final, please join immediately. Take the advice of Mohit sir very seriously. It is for your good only, Mohit sir is telling. Okay.
Correct, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And so next question is, students are asking, some of the students are asking that they have passed their exams and they are yet to receive the mark sheet.
Yes, this I came to know. Some of the students have sent me. My friends have received. I have not received. Maybe because of that particular post office, or that containment zone, it might have happened. But the majority, because they themselves are telling, my batchmates, everybody have received. That means institute have dispatched. In certain cases, maybe a small number, but more number of students according to you. Because when you don't receive, you feel upset. So my suggestion is, you have sent a mail to the institute, agreed. You again follow up in whatever manner you feel through the elected representatives like Papan Bhai or some other elected representatives of your area, chapter or region, and try to this thing and get that this thing. Or you tell that, sir, I have not received, issue the duplicate mark sheet. Or now it is not showing in the website. Now that link has gone. So at least give soft copy. Like that, some type of this thing, because when I lose my mark sheet or certificate, there is a procedure to apply for duplicate. So always system is there. But here the question is, you have not received it genuinely. Okay, your friends have received. So best solution is to try to follow up things through your known person who can reach the department. And one more thing here, I would like to tell Mohit Bhai, some of the students have sent personal message also, any message. I. Who is that I? When you reach Papan Bhai or anybody, yes, we might have interacted, you will tell, sir, we met in Nagpur, we met in Surat, we met in Calcutta. But your number and this thing, because nowadays what happened, many of the students are putting either Aishwarya Rai or Salman Khan's photo. So how I cannot remember also. Huh? So the point is, you introduce yourself with your name, registration number, and the details. Intermediate means which group, final means which group, foundation means which. with the minimum details you tell, and then tell, Papan bhai, how are you? How is life? Like that you can inquire, so that this it is my humble request, because every time I am telling, please introduce, first to know the style of communication, this thing, that thing I am writing. Why to embarrass, na? Actually, we want to teach you how to have better communication, because ultimately you want solution, you want answer. Otherwise, who will inquire about Papan bhai, how are you, how is your health, and all these things, right? Na? So introduce yourself to any elected representative, any official. I have seen Mohit sir, many people writing email, entire thing is I and the problem, but regards, and cut to copy paste. Many students are sending same mail. अरे
Oh my God.
नाम क्या है, what group क्या है, issue क्या है. So, briefly, please introduce yourself and then ask questions. Maybe you will get some help from the examination department or studies department, as the case may be. Yes, sir.
So one question is coming for you from Qatar, all the way from Qatar, that can he or she appear in the online exams?
Yes. See, from Qatar, in fact, immediately I don't remember the name. In fact, from Sultanate of Oman, from Kuwait, and some other places also, mails are coming. See, if you have listened to Mohit Bhai's initial question regarding the mode of the examination, and if that is going to be the correct answer, ultimately when notification from institute comes, you sit anywhere in the world and write, now what is the problem? That is what Balwinder sir told CMA Global. You people need not travel all the way to India. Come here and sit in the center and write. We are helping, because a lot of students who are abroad, Mohit sir, earlier days they were spending huge money for travel. Correct, and other things coming to this place, maybe staying with their relatives or at home. But you see the travel and all these things, visa and this thing, so many. Qatar or Oman or whatever place.
I have personally witnessed it, sir. All the way from Kuwait, one girl came to Calcutta for studying this course.
Yes.
All alone.
And sir, here the question is very genuine, because they don't find that examination center in the website to apply. They are unable to apply. So all those overseas students, you tell others who are not watching this also, you can convey that Mohit sir's channel, Papan bhai has told that examination department will see to it that the students are given proper communication with regard to this and how you have to apply. And with regard to this server issue and the website not cooperating or this thing, that thing, yes, because of so many other reasons which you all know, pandemic situation and the poor conditions about because of cyclone and that huge heavy rain and wind and other things, network issues are going on. It is everywhere. So it happens. So everything will be set right. You will get proper communication from the institute with regard to guidance for the overseas centers children also. Do not worry. Okay, you tell others who are not watching this also to watch the channel of Mohit sir. You will get the. And I request Mohit sir that after this session is over, you bring question answer like that separate video. So that
sure, sir. I'll make a summary.
Get it within a short
absolutely,
minutes,
sir.
They will get entire.
Absolutely. That's why I've been noting all.
So I request all the students to watch our Mohit sir's channel regularly to get all the updates. Okay, do not worry.
Thank you, sir. And many students are praising that now CMAs are being given the job in the private sector as well with shining packages.
Yes.
And one student is also saying, requesting that, sir, please do not encourage low package offering companies for campus placement.
My dearest student friends, in 1996, when I was posted in Delhi, my salary was 3,115 basic pay. Will I tell that bank, please don't recruit me? For me, 3,115 in 1996 is a huge amount. I am telling you, there are many family members who want job, and that low package is not an issue. It is not that we are encouraging. It is that company who are respecting our institute, but that company's turnover does not have the capacity to pay 20 lakhs or 22 lakhs CTC per annum.
Correct.
But such small companies. See, some engineer, one student who is my friend's son, he told he will not join Infosys. He selected another small company in Singapore. Today, same Infosys have taken back him in a very high position. What was his argument? You know, if I join in Infosys, I will be along with lakhs of other people. But in a small company, though the pay is less, I will shine and my ability will be noticed. So don't blame the people who are paying less. At least be happy, because you please go to the market and find out there are many student fraternity who have even today in some campus have not got job. Think about those people. Campus placement. After that they got job or they managed to get job because of their ability and capacity. Correct. But so we cannot tell X or Y company, any number of companies. It is the students, the candidate who gets selected, they can decide. No, sir, I will go to certain such a place where I get 50 lakhs per month. That you decide, na? We cannot tell, or at least I will not tell, because there are families, there are especially girls from my area, from very, very poor family, where parents, father, some problem, mother has used to go to various house for cleaning the vessel or something, and the children are studying. You may think that, sir, but she is having mobile, he is having mobile. That also with hard-earned money they have got it, because the children should be with other children and update this thing they have provided. Think about those families. For them, this 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs or 6 lakhs package in the initial stage will be a big sum. So I very sorry whoever has asked that. I will not tell that company don't come, but we will encourage top class companies to come for campus placement. Okay.
Correct, sir. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I agree. Okay. Guys, approx 1,000 students are watching the video. Why are you not liking the video? Just like the video. It's such a candid talk. Again, the same questions are being asked by the viewers who have joined late. Students, the examination mode is going to be the same as it was in the last term, right? Which means as of now, the online mode is there. Online mode is there. Okay. And there will be minor changes in the paper pattern, and very soon Institute is going to release the new mock test papers for you guys. Ample questions will be given to practice, and the key answers, the suggested answer for the January 21, that also Institute will be releasing. But try and understand, Institute is also in India and it is being affected by the second wave of COVID. You need to understand that also. When will MTP be introduced by the Institute? As soon as possible. Sir has already clarified that. Any expected date for notification? Sir has already told. What else do you want now? Sir has already told. When sir is already said something, then listen to that. Mark sheet also, sir has already told that because many of the states are under lockdown and some under containment zone. That is why mark sheets have reached some of the students, and other students, do not worry. If your results have been passed, even if you have not received mark sheet and there is any delay, it won't change. It won't change. Home based or center based, both will be there. Sir has already answered that. And examination pattern, sir has already answered that. How can we follow up the examination application sent through post? You need not follow. Just wait for the Institute's response to that. Why need to follow that? What is the best package after CMA? Every package that you get, your package is the best one. Then opt-out option milega kya, sir?
It is too early to ask, but definitely, like in the immediate concluded examination, opt-out chance was given, because it is, we don't know at that time, even if a single student is affected because of COVID or other reasons, or whatever may be the reasons, they are eligible to demand with the institute, and institute is bound to help the student fraternity. And like last time, opt-out option, institute will definitely give. This is my personal this thing as far as, and some of the students regarding the mark sheet, Mohit sir, they asked,
Yes.
they want to produce it before the some company or something they are telling. In such cases, as already answered Mohit Bhai, please take up immediately and do some follow-up with your proper details and other this thing. Maybe you will tell, sir, we have written more than 5 times, 10 times, 12 times, no reply, sir. But still we get reply, we have to do that and do it through someone else also, so that ultimately you want solution. And regarding the cutoff date, that is 30th May for a payment of fees, yes, your demand is very correct. As already answered Mohit Bhai, those who have joined late, wait for the institute notification. Definitely, the institute is considering your demand, because the re-verification result is not declared, withheld result is not declared. So students, see, withheld result, what will happen? Declaration of result. It doesn't mean that everybody will pass or everybody will fail. Suppose some people are failing in withheld, not debarment or other things, by chance, genuine cases, you are also eligible to apply for the next exam. Nah? So taking all this into consideration, you can expect extension of date as far as the payment of fees or submitting of application for the forthcoming examination. Wait for institute notification.
Correct, sir. Sir, any scholarship for CMA students? The scholarship policy is already there. You should visit the website of institute and check it.
Only thing is, I request the student fraternity, please understand that the government of India, since long, they have introduced a scheme, and it is now there available in all the states, panchayat, municipality, corporation. You have to get a certificate from them as far as economically weaker section of the society. It is not SC, ST, OBC, minority community below poverty line. No, that is another way of getting the entire fee back from the local authorities or this thing. They are giving back. That is another side. EWS, you can search in the Google, economic weaker section of the society, where the annual income put together, all sorts of income of a particular family is, say, less than 8 lakhs or whatever sum, you search it. If that annual income is less than that, then automatically that X or Y family can show that with a ration card or whatever available document, Aadhaar card, this thing, to that local, your area panchayat or municipality or corporation or from the Tahsildar or whatever it is. Get that certificate and apply, and that particular government or that particular state, this thing, they are bound to give back this thing. For that, you need a certificate from the institute that you reach the local chapter or the institute or the region or the headquarters, you will get it that you are a student and you have paid this much money. You have the receipt also. You will get it. That is also one way of getting reimbursement for the amount paid, apart from SC, ST, OBC, minority community below poverty line. That is, they are also eligible. Here I am talking about general category, where the income of the family, because many students I know are really suffering. The annual income of the entire family, the breadwinner, is less than the amount decided by the, and how that amount is decided is not institute, decided by well thought persons in the government. They have decided. It is there available for all the citizens of the country, general category. Go through that, please.
And sir, one last but very important question the students are asking, and I am also hoping that the answer will
whether,
be
whether Papan Bhai had dinner or not.
whether Papan Bhai had dinner or not, and how is your health? Many are inquiring. How are you keeping yourself?
Health is, I will always tell I am fine only because you all are with me. Of course, so many things have happened to me during this pandemic also. Chalo, because I always feel very happy that I am getting up in the morning. That is a birthday for me, for everybody for that matter, because there is no guarantee that anyone will wake up next day morning. So God is great. And I always tell good morning to myself. Happy morning, I used to tell to myself. That strategy you all apply, that entire day will be. And I am not telling that you all should be like me. See, I don't wear the watch. You can see my hands. So that means I have 48 hours in a day. If I wear watch, I will have only 24 hours. So what is the meaning of indirect cryptic meaning? If we keep ourselves active, we will forget that we have some disease or something is attacking us, corona, COVID or whatever people call. वो आ गया चला गया, किसी को भी पता नहीं ना पपन भाई को क्या हुआ, क्या ऐसा हुआ, कुछ नहीं है. So thank you very much for your this thing. And yes sir, you come to that important question, sir.
Sir, this was the important question.
Acha, this was the important question. I am very thank you very much.
Thank you for taking out so much time, sir, and
Yes, sir.
we wish you all the best of your health, and,
Yes, sir. And
may God bless you with
one more
best
thing
of health.
through Mohit sir's channel. I want to tell one more thing. Those today's students have not raised the question. The usual question comes, sir, we have applied for foundation, we have applied for intermediate, we have applied for final, but study materials we have not received. I am telling you, my dearest students, through Mohit Bhai's channel, that person who is supposed to dispatch that particular employee has died because of COVID in headquarters. Okay, now other persons are allotted. The thing is, the postal department or courier department are not nowadays very much this thing like we expect them to collect and deliver or whatever. So some delay is there. Please go through the soft copy that is available or any other material you can get, but definitely you will get a study material through your
Some net problem is there, sir. Some net problem is there, sir. You're not audible, sir. Sir, you're not audible.
Or region or headquarters, the Calcutta people can collect it directly like that. Okay, distribution channel. Yes, it is showing because somebody is calling me, na. Directly they are calling in the mobile. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay,
it
sir.
is okay.
Yes, sir. You're audible now.
Now it is okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. Please continue. You're talking about distribution channels of mats.
Now?
So what sir was saying that
yes, study materials,
yes, sir.
Study material delay is there. Do not. Yes.
So you're not audible, but I have got your message, sir, that study material problem is there.
It will reach them as quickly as possible. Okay?
And it will reach them as quickly as possible. Absolutely. And thank you so much for coming, sir. And boys and girls, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay. And do not worry. We will always be there standing with you, holding your hands firmly. Right. And do watch all the marathon videos, all the